Oh, hold on, I think I got the zoom on. It says something about the nature walk or something. We're gonna go ahead and walk through here. See what this is looking like. See? My baby. She chilling. Yeah, I see the water. You see it? Oh, all right. We go. I see it. We out here. I see it. And look nice and cool. That water. When I was in Louisiana, you catch all of the catfish chilling and stuff like this, but I don't eat catfish no more. I was a little kid back then. Now, you know, it's forbidden for me to eat that. I wouldn't eat it. But this is where you would catch the catfish at, right on the bank, in the mud holes or under the roots of the trees. We're coming out here, coming to see a few things, see what we can catch out here, what kind of animals. See if we can catch something. Be careful. All right. They got a couple of different little nature walk sections. It's funny. This is the one you gotta watch out at nighttime. It's trying to attack you. Everything hiding right now. Everything is hiding. Trees. I don't care for the woods too much. I played in the woods when I was a little kid, before they start knocking them down in the woods, Englewood, New Jersey. Played in the woods before they start making brand new apartment buildings. Played on the tank behind the lodge, all of that. Yes, Commander Chief. Let's get it moving. And I was nice in the woods. We had our own little Bear Mountain over by the park where they got that new school at. I haven't even seen it, but I know it's moving. All right, remember when I said that this leads to them apartment buildings? To the other ones? This is it. Not apartments, but you know, timeshare joints. But they are apartments, so they all look like apartments, baby. That's how I would rather do mine when I go out. That's just the only reason we are a part of timeshare, so we can have our own space, living room, TV, kitchen, the whole 9 yards. All right. Go ahead and put it off.